the short that I want to. I'm right. I couldn't tell you. But I said, can it stop raining for like an hour, like that. Here's why, and I'm gonna show you this. Okay, I put this in for an inch, and half time. So I'm gonna put that right over there. Bye. But this is one I told you about the rings. Did you guys cannot see well from the camera? You can't see it's water. It's raining right now. But this, I cannot touch the rain because of this thing on my head. But I wish I can show you the roads. Okay, I'm scared. I'm a bit scared. Okay, I'm gonna flip. So you guys can see, the road is like smashed out. You see this road smashed out. You can see it a lot closer. You can see the road smashed out. The road smashed out. It's like there's another one right there. I can't show you because this is one of the right there. Hey, focus on me. Focus on. Focus on me. This is the one. You can see waters. Okay, this is buses. Hey, yeah. This one, there's another one. You can literally see another one. It's like you can see a ton of water. Can you just see that? The water all over here. Water are all over here. I'm just doing a water. Take this. I'm just. Yes, you can see about everything. You can actually see the road clearly smashed out. Okay. You can see the road smashed out. Like, look at that. Like, you guys might see that so clearly. Maybe you can see that road smashed out. The road is like smashed out. You see a hole like there. 1, 2. Then number 3 is right over there. It's right in the middle. It's pointed because the water. Let me just show you that. Let me just zoom that there. As you can see, there's one part right here. You can see the road. I don't know how this survived, but I can see the under thing, under the road. Let me see what is under the road, bro. Let me see. This is. And this is a hospital, guys. Maybe because we live beside a hospital. But that's not what you think. This is what you think. This is the one. Literally, the cars are driving on it. It's like one right there. You can literally see that road smashed out. Smashed out. You never saw that. That disgusted me a lot. And I'm gonna zoom back. And now you can see that. See that. See my fingers. You can see that hole. Number 1. The other hole is right there. You cannot see that probably because of my mom's garden. But I promise you there's a lot back there. I didn't go outside, but I can see through the window. So let's just put my phone in this. Okay, let's just do here again. Get out. Okay, I don't know how to close this. Bye, guys.